Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in to this video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can get my views up so I can become official. Y'all know what official means. Yes. So I'm trying to get my stuff together so I can do more videos and make this transition. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. View. Today I'm coming to you because those of you who know me know that I absolutely love the rain. Love it. Absolutely love the rain. So I'm here at work and it's pouring down raining. Like pouring down rain. And I'm in heaven. So I wrote a poem for the rain, to the rain, about the rain. And it's called A Tribute to the Rain. Hope you like it. Rain. Thank you for sharing your presence with me this morning. You demand my attention. You got it. I appreciate you. I appreciate you because you remind me that everything is going to be all right. From the very raindrops on my face to the puddles that I can't avoid as I'm walking. You allow me to feel my cleanse as you radiate through my soul, allowing me to know that everything is just peachy keen. You leave your mark of illumination. I feel my most creative, my most calm when you're in my presence or when I'm in yours. You heighten my awareness, and for that, I give thanks. Rain, thank you for listening. Thank you for speaking. Thank you for allowing me to understand your presence. You have the omnipresence of rejuvenation. Clear as day. I thank you. I appreciate you. Just for being who you are. Cleanser. The Omni Cleanser. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can get them views up so I can be official. Thank you all. I hope you're having a great day. Do your best to stay safe and dry. I'll see you next time. Thank you.